In the heart of Central Asia, between Kazakhstan to the north and Uzbekistan to the south, there once was a sea the size of a small country. A sea not connected to the oceans, yet a lifeline for more than 60 million people across the region. Its name was the Aral Sea. Less than 60 years ago, the Aral Sea was the fourth largest inland sea in the world, fed by great rivers like the Amu Darya and the Sir Darya. Its waters regulated the climate, softened the heat of summer, and protected the region from extreme weather. But in the 1960s, the Soviet Union made a decision that would change the sea's fate forever. The rivers were diverted away from the Aral Sea to irrigate vast cotton fields, in one of the largest agricultural experiments in history. At first, the danger went unnoticed. But within a few years, water levels began to fall. Shorelines retreated, ports dried up, and the sea began to disappear before everyone's eyes. By the 1990s, the Aral Sea had lost more than 90% of its water. It split into separate bodies, and its exposed seabed turned into a new desert known as the Aralkum Desert. Ships that once sailed through salty waters were left stranded on dry sand. Fishing towns became ghost towns, and the local economy collapsed completely. But the disaster did not end with the water. The dry seabed was saturated with toxic salts and agricultural chemicals. When the winds rise, they carry poisonous dust across hundreds of kilometers, reaching Russia, China, and even the Arctic. Rates of respiratory diseases. Cancer birth defects rose sharply among the people who remained in the region. Even the climate changed. Summers grew hotter and drier, while winters became longer and harsher. One sea had balanced nature, and when it vanished, everything fell out of balance. In the early 21st century, efforts were made to save what could be saved. In the north, Kazakhstan built the Kok-Aral Dam, helping restore a small portion of water and marine life. But the southern part of the sea remained largely dead. The Aral Sea was not destroyed by an earthquake or a hurricane. It was destroyed by human confidence that nature could be controlled without consequence. And the question that remains, if a sea the size of a country could disappear, what might vanish next?